The Neanderthals. Our closest extinct relatives walked the Earth for more than 350,000 years before mysteriously vanishing about 40,000 years ago. Various theories have been proposed to explain why Neanderthals disappeared. Here are the top 5 working theories. One prevailing theory suggests that the Neanderthals fell victim to the success of Homo sapiens, the anatomically modern humans who migrated out of Africa and into Europe and Asia. The disappearance of the Neanderthal fossil record appears to correspond to the time period when Homo sapiens expanded their territories. Homo sapiens may have competed with Neanderthals for resources, leading to a decline in the Neanderthal population. Some scientists point to the possibility that Neanderthal extinction was either precipitated or hastened by violent conflicts with Homo sapiens. Violence in early hunter-gatherer societies likely occurred as a result of resource competition following natural disasters. This competition could have taken various forms, such as competition for food, shelter, and other critical resources. Additionally, some researchers argue that Homo sapiens' cognitive abilities, including complex social structures and advanced tool-making techniques, gave them a competitive edge over the Neanderthals. Another compelling theory proposes that rather than facing outright extinction, Neanderthals interbred with Homo sapiens. Genetic evidence indicates that modern humans of non-African descent share a small percentage of their DNA with Neanderthals, suggesting that interbreeding did occur. This theory suggests that Neanderthals did not disappear, but were gradually assimilated into the expanding Homo sapien population. Over time, the genetic contribution of Neanderthals may have become diluted as the two groups intermingled, ultimately leading to the disappearance of distinct Neanderthal traits. Changes in the Earth's climate are considered a significant factor in the Neanderthals' disappearance. The last glacial period, known as the Late Pleistocene, saw dramatic fluctuations in temperature and environmental conditions. Some scientists argue that Neanderthals, adapted to cold climates, struggled to cope with the rapid and extreme environmental changes. As glaciers advanced and retreated, altering landscapes and disrupting ecosystems, Neanderthals may have faced challenges in finding food and adapting to new environmental conditions. This theory suggests that a combination of factors including climate change and its impact on resources may have contributed to the decline and eventual extinction of Neanderthal populations. Health factors and disease susceptibility are also proposed explanations for the Neanderthals' demise. Some researchers argue that as Homo sapiens migrated and came into contact with new pathogens, they may have introduced diseases to which the Neanderthals had little or no immunity. Homo sapiens were less vulnerable to Neanderthal diseases, partly because they had evolved to cope with the far higher disease load of the tropics, and so were more able to cope with novel pathogens, and partly because the higher number of Homo sapiens meant that even devastating outbreaks would still have left enough survivors for a viable population. The potential spread of infectious diseases could have had devastating effects on Neanderthal populations, leading to widespread illness and declining health. Weakened by disease and facing challenges in adapting to new environments, Neanderthals may have struggled to maintain viable populations. The social dynamics of Neanderthal communities have also been examined as a possible factor in their disappearance. Some researchers propose that Neanderthals had smaller and more isolated populations compared to Homo sapiens, which may have made them more vulnerable to external pressures. Homo sapiens, with their advanced communication and social structures, may have had the advantage of larger, more interconnected communities. This social cohesion could have facilitated the sharing of knowledge, resources, and skills, providing Homo sapiens with a competitive edge over the more isolated Neanderthal groups. The disappearance of the Neanderthals remains an enigma that continues to fuel scientific inquiry and debate. While no single theory provides a definitive answer, a combination of factors likely contributed to the decline and eventual disappearance. The interplay of environmental changes, competition with Homo sapiens, inbreeding, disease, and social dynamics paints a complex picture of the events leading to the end of the Neanderthals. The quest to unravel the mystery of the Neanderthals' disappearance is ongoing, with new discoveries, technologies, and interdisciplinary approaches constantly reshaping our understanding of this crucial chapter in human evolution. As researchers delve deeper into the archaeological record and refine genetic analysis, we may one day unlock the secrets that have shrouded the fate of our ancient relatives for millennia. Leave a comment below. Please like and share this video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss the next episode of Mysteries, Legends, and Lies.